It's going to create a thicker sauce together with the olive oil and white wine while the chicken is cooking. That's why we keep it.
Okay.
So salt and pepper there. Take it out just the skin, divide it in quarters, and then you can put it just on the top.
Okay.
But not squeezing.
Okay.
Perfect.
I've been doing it all wrong all this time. I've been cutting the lemon and telling Fabia that it's a Bahamian thing, that's how it's done. That's it. I take back everything I said about me knowing how to cook. I officially have no clue what I'm doing. So Fabia is seasoning the chicken breast that we're actually going to eat.
Chicken thighs.
Chicken thighs.
But,
I'm
no, that's okay like this.
And the thighs are a little thinner, yeah?
And they're better tasting.
Better tasting too?
It's like more fat in them.
Oh. Now, why are you taking the skin off?
Because the white part is rich in pectin, and it I think it's like she said it I forget the term, but it's like it gels better. It makes like a thicker sauce.
It smells good when you cut it. And we have some wine from the region also, which was also pretty good. But if you guys are wondering what I am doing, I did do the stuffing for the mozzarella. Parmigiano. And they told us not to use your hands when you talk because it's offensive to Italians.
No. You have to use your hands.
They told us
so
that.
Use your hands. The Italians.
They told us, they say Americans, you don't wave your hands because Italians will think you're making fun of them. So I've been talking with my hands almost in my pocket because I didn't want to offend anybody. Even when the guy asked me left or right, I was going to point left and I didn't want to point my hand because I said, I don't want to offend you.
We need the seeds? Doesn't matter. Yeah. Perfetto.
Oh, so you don't squeeze them?
No. We will cook it later together. Before we have to do... Oh, so your wife is doing everything.
You know what? I'm going to put this camera down because I think...
Later for the tiramisu. You have to record everything, so you will not even need recipes
Right.
to follow. Exactly.
The tiramisu, though, I will have a heavy hand in that and Fabia will record.
I will record that. He loves sweets.
Oh, perfect. So then you will make it.
They could have signed me up just for a tiramisu course. That's it. And I would have been happy.
Allora, we need to chop the tomatoes in small cubes and then you put it here.
Okay.
You add salt and pepper and the basil with the mezzaluna.
Okay.
Chop it fine. Very good. Right.